Hello guys, welcome back to Streamlab HQ, and this weekend I'll be teaching you how to install and set up Kodi app on your device, on your Fire Stick, on your PC, on your mobile device, and on any device you are planning to run Kodi app on. As long as you have enough space and Kodi is compatible with your device, this particular tutorial is for you. So guys, if this is your first time of coming around my channel, I want to appreciate you so much for choosing to watch this video, and I'm promising you're going to get real value for your time. And if you've been coming around my channel, I want to thank you so much for always sticking around. You know, it is because of you guys that this channel has been, you know, in existence all this while, and it's really doing well because of your support, guys. So I want to thank you guys so much for everything that you guys have been doing. So this particular tutorial, I'm assuming you've installed the Kodi app on your device. Let's say you want to use a PC, for instance. You have to go to Kodi.tv, then download the Kodi app, install it, and after installing Kodi app, this is the first interface you definitely see. No matter the device you're using, this is the first interface you're going to see after installing your Kodi app. So to continue with the Diggz Xenon installation, you have to click on this gear icon here. Okay, then on this page you're going to click on systems. Okay, then when this page opens, you look for add-ons. So this is the add-ons. I'll click on it, then I will check this unknown sources. I'll have to turn it on. The essence of doing this is to make sure that we'll be able to grant our Kodi app access to, you know, external repository files, so I will be able to install from outside of the official Kodi repositories. So after doing that, you go back to the previous page. Then on this page, we are going to click on File Manager. Okay. So when the File Manager page opens, we are going to add a source. So we'll click on Add Source here. So I'm going to click None here to add the source. So this is the URL for the Diggz Xenon, latest Diggz Xenon repository. So it goes like this. Okay, make sure you enter it exactly the same way I'm entering it, so you don't encounter any issues during your own installation. Okay. Okay, so this is it. Diggz 1.me /Diggz repo. So you click OK. So you can see it has automatically added a media source name for us. So we're going to leave it at this Diggz repo, and we're going to click OK. So the source has been added here. So with that being done, we'll go back to the previous page. Okay, then on this page we're going to click on add-ons. Okay, we have some options here. On this particular page we're going to be doing installation from two sources, and the first one is going to be from the zip file. Then after that we go and install from the repository file. So to do that of the zip file, we're going to click on install from zip file here. Okay, we'll look for our media source name, and this here it is, the Diggz repo. So we'll click on it, and we select this repository.diggz23 zip file. Okay, and allow it to install. So take a few seconds. Okay, it's been installed. So the next installation, like I said earlier, which is the second one, is going to be from the repository. So I'll click on install from repository. So on this page we're going to select the Diggz repository. Okay, so we'll allow it to load. Okay, Then we can see we have some options here, but we're going to check this program add-ons. Okay, good. So you can see there are so many wizards here, but for now we're going to choose this Chef Omega wizard. Okay, so I'll click on it and we're going to click install here. So the following add-ons will be installed. It's okay, so we can just click it. Okay, it's downloading and it's pretty fast, so I have to just hold on for a second and allow the download and installation to be completed first before we can proceed. So guys, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, I want you to show appreciation by hitting that subscribe button if you have not done so. And it is important to turn on the notification bell as well, so that whenever I make a new video on a new Kodi app, Kodi add-on or build, you'll be able to see it on time. And like you all know, all these things are always updated, so I'll keep you posted with the latest builds and add-ons. So we've installed the Chef Omega wizard. So okay, I'm going to click this, close. Okay, so with that being done, there's no build installed. Would you like to install one now? No, I'm going to click on remind later. Okay, so with that being done, we're going to go back to the home page, the previous page, the home page. Okay, click back. So then on this page now, we're going to click on add-ons here. Okay, so click on add-ons. Then we look for program add-ons. Okay, then we choose this Chef Omega wizard that we installed. Okay, so welcome to Chef Omega wizard. We're going to click on build menu. Okay, good. So we have the only one debris version. You can see the latest version is version 3.1, and we have the Diggz Xenon free version, the 1.0, and the Simply Arctic version 1.3. There's also a kit version here, the Maddox kit version 2.0, and there's this CGMech. Okay, the 6.7. You can see this is the latest Diggz Xenon builds. You understand? This is the latest version. So we're going to use this Diggz Xenon free version for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, so I'll click on it. Okay, yes, I will continue. So it is a 176 MB file. So we're going to allow the download to be completed and the installation to be completed as well. So guys, the installation is completed. Let's allow you to finish extracting so we can proceed. Okay, let me pause the video. So guys, the installation has been completed, and if I click on this close OK button, the app will be, closed. Then when I open it back, I'll see the option to set up the skin and every other remaining stuff. So I'm going to click on that, then I'll proceed when I come back. Good. So this is the Diggz Xenon free version. So you can see everything is looking very clean, and I believe from this point you would know how to use the app and do anything you want. So you can see general settings. You can use a single global background, enable clock and day display. You have so many options here. Okay, background art, you can choose anything, multi-image, you can select a single image. Okay, so everything is looking very okay, and I believe you know how to use this. So with that being said, guys, I want to thank you so much for sticking to the very end of this tutorial. And if you actually found value for your time, I want you to show appreciation by hitting on that subscribe button. And again, I normally make videos weekends like this, so I'm expecting to see you guys next weekend. Thank you, and do have a wonderful weekend ahead, guys.